Good morning. For today's daily cipher is yield dash dot dash dash dot 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 dash dot dot dash dot dot. Take the price for 1 million coins. For daily combo is special new cards. Hanapin nyo lang si ito. Yan. Kung meron kayo, yan, go kayo yan. Then, pangalawa, sa new cards. Sa new cards, hanapin nyo si ito, NFT. Yan. Hanapin nyo yan. Ito po yan, oh. Ito po, NFT, collection launch. Hanapin nyo yan. Pangalawa yan, pangalawa. Pangatlo naman is my cards tayo. Yan. Pangatlo po ito. Pangatlo yan. CTG leaders. Okay? Pangatlo po yan. Kayo na po bahala dyan, ha. Good luck po sa lahat. And don't forget to share, follow and subscribe, and likes. Thank you po sa lahat. God bless po.